stop.
Yes, that's the question. Why did you not stop it? Because you could have, you are the head of this department. Why did you not stop? You become aware in 2024
Yes.
that ad hoc deployments are being done irregularly. And they are costing the city of Tshwane millions of rands. Millions. And you do nothing about it. You don't stop them, you allow them to continue. And my question is, why did you not stop them? And it can be an answer to say there were discussions about non-payment of invoices. There should not have been invoices to begin with because those allocations were done irregularly.
Commissioner, from the explanation, actually, let me not say that. I did not, as I did not, right? I found it not difficult per se, but I would say my mind and any other one's mind, including my colleagues at the top, right? That discussion was that discussion was not at the fore at that point in time, right? Hence, it came at a later stage that this should be cancelled and you see, so it was.
Director Malachi, you're not answering the question. Why did you not stop it? You don't have an answer. You don't know why you did not stop it. I want to move on to the 12th of March when you were given an instruction, page 241. Are you there?
I am there.
So if you start at 244, you will see that the chief of the police becomes aware
Yes.
that their ad hoc services, they are not approved, and then gives an instruction. So on 243, there's an email of 12 March 2025 at 16:04. Do you see that in the middle of the page? 243.
243.
The email of 16:04 on 12 March 2025. Commissioner Spies has now been given an instruction